Alright, so we got 3 puppies right now. She spit these 3 out back to back. She's taking a little bit of a break. It's pretty common. It's currently past midnight. Ooh. Yeah, it's 12:30. So this is going to be an all-nighter for me and Ladybird. This little bitty guy, this little runt, it's a little boy. These are 2 girls. Little bitty Maremmas. This guy is not slowing down. He's feisty. He's getting in there. He's found all the nipples. Yeah. He's so little. So little. Well, it's the very next day after Ladybird gave birth. And we got a lamb. Awesome. Hey, chill out. Everybody. We're excited. Hi, Mama. Look at that pretty baby. Look at that pretty baby. There's Bobby Joe doing her job just like she ought to. There we go. It's okay, dude. He's doing the right thing now. He calmed down. He's not overly boisterous. Look at Bobby Joe. Alright, here's the babies. This is the next day after they were born. They are doing great. So, I kind of assist in splitting them up for nursing versus resting. Just because, I mean, she's got 10 nipples. I mean, we got 10 babies, but still, I mean, she's laying on her side, so there's normally only about 5 nipples exposed at one time. So I just like to manage it a little bit so I don't have any puppies that can't get a nipple and then we start having problems. We do have a runt though. We got this little bitty baby. It's a little boy. Well, oh gosh. You're complaining too much. Too much. There you go. Anyhow, alright, so let me talk about the runt. Alright, so the runt was the first one born. Little bitty, but he's doing great. He's doing really, really good, actually. I do have to help him secure a nipple because these bigger babies can easily take that nipple from him. I mean, look at how big they are compared to him. But if you have followed me for a while, you know that I love runts. They tend to make the best guardians, in my opinion. And all I can think is that they just have to work harder in life to get by, and just makes them a better dog for the job of being a livestock guardian. The other thing I find is that, you know, they can start off much smaller than the rest, but they can certainly catch up. Stonewall was the smallest of his litter. And if you don't know who Stonewall is Ladybird's son. But Stonewall is the biggest dog we own. So he caught up just fine. But anytime I have a smaller baby, I just have to give them a little bit of extra attention, make sure they can get themselves a nipple. So I myself am recuperating from Ladybird's labor. She tends to labor at nighttime, so it's an all-nighter for me, and I'm not as young as I used to be, so I'm pretty screwed up from it, but it was worth it. All these babies came out beautifully, and that's what matters. It's not like Ladybird needs help. I mean, she's pretty much a pro at this. Right, you're a pro. But in case a puppy aspirates or something simple like that, that's a stupid reason to lose a puppy. So I just like to make sure everybody has a little bit of assistance. Yes. So this is Miss Ladybird's last litter, and then she will be retired from breeding. You've been awesome with it. And by the way, we are retaining a female puppy from this litter. Miss Ladybird has been such an amazing guardian for us, and we will certainly continue her genetics into the future. Hi, Marigold. So Miss Marigold is the next one in line to give birth. She's big and pregnant, but she still has, I don't know, a couple weeks to go. 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. But I'll be keeping an eye on her. Let's see. There's Stonewall. Stonewall, what are you doing? Hey, bud. Stonewall is such a sweet boy. Hi, Stonewall. You look so much like your mama. Here's Rye. He's the sire for Ladybird's litter. He is purebred Maremma as well. Yes. He didn't do anything. Hey, Rye. Hi, Duke. Oh, Mr. Duke. So, this happened because we had a little pack of pit bulls running around. Stray pit bulls. And they came onto the property. And these boys kicked into action. In fact, everybody kicked into action. But it's the males who really engaged in the fighting. Of course, Duke, since he's alpha, he was kind of the leader of the pack in that fight. So he took some damage on his nose. Rye here took some damage on his legs. He was limping for a little bit, but he's doing a lot better. Duke is doing a lot better too. It's just that hair is going to take some time to grow back in. And then Stonewall, come here, Stonewall. Show him your scars. Show him your war scars. Come on, Stonewall. Duke is making sure everybody knows he's the alpha. Let's see your face. Yeah, you got a few little spots on your face. Boy. All right. Yeah. So Duke is our alpha. And when you hear him growling like that, he's just letting this guy know that he's the boss. Just what he does, just thing. And he is the boss. He is correct, right? So that right there is Helen, and that's actually one of Lucy's daughters. If you followed me for a while, you also know that Lucy last year went and had an affair with the milkman and produced a bunch of half Pyrenees, half something else puppies. We believe maybe half pit bull, something like that. Maybe half pointer, I don't know entirely, but this little girl's turned out to be an awesome guardian. She's really good. So we're actually looking to find her a home. I ended up keeping her a little while longer. Sometimes I'll do that with puppies and just train them up into a more mature guardian before I find them a home. And she's just awesome. It's kind of nice because she's a bit short-haired, so she can handle the Texas heat pretty well. She does an excellent job, though. Where's Lucy? So Miss Lucy's pregnant. Oh, sorry. There you are, right in front of my face. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy, Mama. You did not have an affair this year. I know that for sure. So Miss Lucy was also bred to Rye. And by the way, Lucy's Pyrenees. So she's pure Pyrenees. Rye is pure Maremma. And Miss Marigold is pure Maremma. And she was bred to Duke, who is Pyrenees. Mary! Mary! Come here, sweet girl. So Miss Marigold here, hi honey, is sweet as could be. Oh my gosh. And it's funny because she is a chatty dog. I've never had such a chatty Maremma. And I'm not talking about barking. I'm talking about like she actually talks to you and she smiles. Not just like when she's panting with her mouth open. I'm talking like she grins. She actually grins. Yeah, you gonna talk to me? Mary. Mary, chit chat with me. Yeah. Come on, talk to me. Mary. Yeah. Miss Mary. Hi, honey. Oh, Mary. Oh, Mary. Come on, Mary. Yeah, Mary. Hi, Mary. So chatty. Smile. Hi. Smile for me, honey. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Mary. You're so sweet. You're just the sweetest. You actually grin. I never thought I would have a dog that grins. But I do now. Good morning, Miss Lucy. Hey, kit. Oh, hi, Ladybird. I just let her out to go to the restroom and go back to your babies. Let's go back to your babies. In the chicken room. Hi, Mama. There she is. There's the babies. Okay, so I do have some sad news. My little runt did not make it. He was fighting so well. And it was just out of nowhere. He took a turn for the worse. And he's doing great. He's fighting for nipples and everything. And then all of a sudden, he was not doing okay. Who knows? I tried my hardest. Oh, believe me, I tried my hardest on that little one. But he may have just been underdeveloped, had problems with his organs, or who knows what. But despite my best efforts, he did pass. But everybody else is doing awesome. I mean, these babies are putting on weight left and right. Got some big babies here. Oh, hey, chill out. This is what he does. He wants me to give him some loving. Yeah? Okay, alright. He leans. He's a leaner, right? Alright, so, of course, we are now approaching winter. And so, what you tend to notice with livestock guardians is that in the summertime it's hot, and so they actually shed a lot of weight. They get skinny. Now, by the way, these dogs getting skinny, you can't tell just by looking at them because of all that fur. You typically have to feel them. And yeah, they start feeling kind of bony. But this is the time where they start eating a whole lot of food. Like in the summer, they won't finish their food bowl, but now they're finishing their food bowl, which tells me that I have to give them more food. So they're definitely putting their weight back on. It's just a cycle. That's how it goes. Look at this. Look at this pretty little thing. So tiny. There's little Helen. Cleaning the baby. I don't know if you can see, but on Helen's neck right there, she's got a little spot from when they all fought off those pit bulls. Yeah, she did a good job. She did her part. Right? You did your part, Helen. All right. Look at these chunky bellies. Look at that belly. How are you still eating? Look at it. It's so big. These little noises they make.